make this boat a replica of when it went to Dunkirk. We've saved all the original stuff that we could. And most of these planks are original. Most of the frames are original. We're not going to recreate the original boat because originally the boat stopped. It had that stringer and it was in naval use. It was painted white. It had beautiful teak cabins on it. It had a round stern and 2 bloody great big masts. We've got the tabernacles. So all that's going back on it. We're making the original boat when it went to Dunkirk.